in 9,000 years before, we were the king of the forest. Then we became the god of the humans. They served us as the god and worshiped us. We became the symbol of luck, pregnant, women, and the moon. And then they drew us into the painting as well as the nobles. Wow! In the 19th century, the humans became smarter and richer, but we were still on the top of them. They served us as the superstars. Of course, we're such beautiful and elegant. Like, we are all under the spotlight. And now, oh, that's me. They treat us as their family members, but as well, we are still the god. They served us, feed us, play with us, and post us on the internet. We are still the stars of this era. Well, how about the future? I'm not sure, but I think we will still be the god.